there. Today I'm talking about one of the not so pleasant but essential tasks to do if you're raising any type of farm life, but in this instance I'm specifically talking about pigs. So I've got 6 pigs and they roam on a little over a quarter acre on our property, which is quite a bit of space. And if you see all those little like black spots, that's all poop. There is poop all over. I'm going to show you how my husband and I clean it up quickly and efficiently using the right tools and techniques. Be sure to hang around till the end of the video so you can see what we do with all this pig poop to turn it into gold for our garden. Here are the 3 main tools that we use when taking care of all the pig poop or manure in our yard. So one person goes around first with a leaf rake. This is a Craftsman 30-inch leaf rake, but what's really cool about it is it's got a clog-free design. And so what that means is at the end of the tines, they're actually connected, so you don't just get like a buildup of leaves, or in this case, poop, clogging up the rake. What's great about this is it has a wide path, 30 inches. In the past, we used like a standard metal rake, and it's fine, but it doesn't have as wide of a path. So we were able to cover more ground in less time by using a 30-inch leaf rake. The other tool we use is this fork. So we used to use a plain shovel, which worked fine, but we were ending up picking up so much dirt with the manure or poop as we were going along. And at that time we were using trash cans and just having it wasted. So it made our trash cans really heavy. So by using this to scoop, we were picking up the poop without the dirt. And the third item we use is our gorilla cart, or we call it a wagon. And we use this to transport it to our composting area. You might choose to use a trash can if you're just going to waste it, but we have a garden, so now we compost. I always use gloves. And since you are raking, and in our case, we have mostly a dirt area, it's not very moist, so it causes a lot of dust. So I don't care what the temperature is. Today's actually really nice, overcast this morning. But I always wear long pants because I don't want, see how dusty my shoes are? That's like pig poop dust. Yeah, I don't want that all over my legs. And I go a step further as to even wear an over the ankle boot so that I'm not getting pig poop dust all over my legs. Links for my tools and equipment are down in the description of the video. So one more way that we're able to save time doing this task, not only by having the wide path rake, but we store those tools out in the yard. So here we are in the yard in our pig area, and at least once a week we're needing these tools. We don't really use these tools for anything else. So we actually store these tools hanging up right in our feed area. So there's their supplements, there's their bulk feed. So they're convenient, they're available. If we ever needed to just do a quick clean, we can easily grab the tools because it's right here within a 20-second reach of where we would actually be using them. Here you can see Josh. He's using the wide path leaf rake, 30-inch wide, to rake the poop into piles. He's started to create piles all over the yard, so I can come up after him with the fork. I have my gorilla cart here, and I'll be using my fork to pick up the piles without picking up too much dirt. And then the gorilla cart is used to transport all those piles to my compost pile. As you can see, my gorilla cart is quite full. It actually took 3 full gorilla carts to clean up the whole quarter acre for 1 week of waste. And I am adding it to my compost pile. Our runt is in the piggy pool. Hi, Runt. Say hi. We finished collecting all the pig poop for today. So we had 3 wheelbarrows full. And so they're piled on top of the last 2 or 3 weeks of manure. And we're gonna be composting it and turning it into gold for our garden. All right, we're all done. All the pig poop is picked up. They're asking for treats like they did the work. And thanks for joining me today. I hope you learned about how to be more efficient in cleaning up your livestock manure. Use a wide path rake. Use a gorilla cart to help transport it to a convenient location for your composting. And use a Dura-fork so you don't capture too much dirt in the lifting. It always helps to have two people, and thank you for joining me. You got this.